Hey guys, today we're back in I'm Cat. This is Pool Flames shooting out. It's like Pool Flames shooting out. It is I am Cat. I'm Cat. Yeah, big. Dog. I'm a doggo. I'm a doggo. I'm a doggo. I'm a doggo. I am a doggo. I am a doggo. I am a doggo. I am a doggo. I'm a kitty cat. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I am cat. This is me. Hello? Yeah. Daddy potato. Potato. Ah!
Does anyone want to me? Anyone to me? Nature. Reggie had a building second base. He better find their mouth.
Let me get the pigeon. I want to eat them.
No, dog.
Guys, come on.
It's not cat.
Guys, you want... I'm a cat. I'm a kitty cat.
Our dog Luna, she likes bark. Our dog Luna, she barks at that she sees, even if our dad comes in.
The base.
I'm not floating. Hey, everybody. I'm floating.
Can you talk?
Everybody in these woods. Cat.
I just get my yearbook.
No pigeons, okay? No pigeons in my base.
I'm in the game.
There's a pigeon out here. Guys, no pigeons around my base, okay?
No! Wow!
Yo, it's William Afton.
Guys,
Why does everyone
Guys,
keep
no
calling me
pigeons.
that?
A pigeon!
No pigeon.
Get over here, you pigeon!
Where's freaking William
You
Afton?
make it!
Bro! Where's William?
I made it! I made it!
Stop! Everyone calls me William Afton, bro.
I made it!
no pigeons, okay? Thank you for the rocket.
Corrupt
You doggo.
Oh my god, I wish I
I'm
could
also
change
a
my
doggo,
name.
but I'm actually a cat. I'm actually a cat doggo, but I actually have the wolf pack, okay? I have the wolf pack, okay? Don't you worry. I have the wolf pack. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. No pigeons on my base. Do you got it? No pigeons. No pigeons in my base, okay? Got it? Or else I have to mute you. Or else I have to mute you.
Oh yeah! I'm not flying!
So, where did...
I'm an announcement!
You can be my cat.
Basketball at me.
That is
superhero, bro.
I'm actually a cat. I'm a doggo, but I'm actually a cat.
Shut up!
You see?
I want to get doggo. How do you get
This
into
is
that?
where?
I'm hungry.
The rocket?
I'm gonna throw this at you. I'm gonna throw this. I'm gonna throw an eggplant at your head. I just don't know how to get to my hand. Help. Cup attack.
Doggo, go up here.
Give me that.
How do you make fries? I'm cooking. Here on Walter White. This is Walter White.
You get items. You
You gotta
can't
be good.
Oh, there's stuff in here. Oh.
You can't open them. Maybe when I'm gets an update, you can open these.
I wanna go into there. How do I get there? You gotta like walk on the wall.
I can walk on the wall.
I'm all running, guys.
Yeah.
I'm all running.
I know how. Oh, no, wait.
I'm coming.
Button.
My cat button.
I can't.
Door. It's a door.
My
It's a door. We need to make this like a suitable. We need to make this like a suitable.
Alright, I'm trying to glitch in there. I'm trying to glitch in there. This is my base.
I have 13.
A base. This is a base. This is a base.
I'm gonna stab you. I'm gonna stab you. They fixed this clipping glitch.
I'm actually a dog.
Oh my god! They fixed the glitch where you can no clip. I'm gonna eat the bird food. It looks yummy. It is yummy. Hey!
cat buddy.
Yo, you can. My hand is in it.
Attack him!
Hey, you.
Attack him!
I'm the only one. Please no.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be the only one, not you, bro.
You attack him! Attack him!
That's a black hole. I want to go in the black hole. I want to be on this now. I'm stealing it. I'm stealing the golden rocket.
No!
I threw it
We
off.
all go like this. this
Hello,
cat.
William Afton. Oh my gosh.
Hello,
William Afton.
You are ugly.
I surrender. I'd rather be with William Afton. Bro, what?
Yeah.
Stop William Afton.
Let's go leave the game.
My name is two times. I'm super boring. Two times.
Struggles are very fast.
Corrupt nature. Oh. I just got your eye.
I found a knife. I found a knife.
Do you not see my eye? You just tweaked. What did I think I would do anything? Okay then. Why did I just get up there? I'm sorry. I made it on the plank. I made it on the plank. I'm inside the ship. I did it. Yes, I did it.
You did items.
Where are we?
I made it.
Let's just jump around.
Bossy.
I am the queen. Where are you? You are
You have to be a girl. You have to be a girl to be a queen, guys. You have
We're
to be
just
a
so good at this game.
I'm a girl.
This is the
I'm a girl.
Be a girl. No, you're not. You sound like a boy.
As a male. You
I
can't
pinky
get
promise
these things no
I'm
more.
a
You
girl.
can't get the
I'm
gold
not a
things
boy.
in the grocery store.
I wouldn't lie about my gender. I wouldn't.
Your neck is snapped. Your neck is snapping.
Your
neck is snapping, Ray.
Tell your mom
neck
or
is
you done
God.
a girl
He
or
just did
a
it again.
boy. It's not the headset. Let
I
your
would
headset
never lie about my
forgot to take
gender.
my
I'm a
meds. I forgot
girl.
to take my schizophrenia meds.
There's no
The voices are telling me to bomb.
I pinky
Bomb
promise
Japan.
I'm a girl.
Oh,
No, you're not. Ask your parents. Ask your
Oh, hello, sir.
dream
Welcome
then.
to the cool club. This is where cool people go.
I'm the
Yeah, I'm cool.
It's me, cool kid. It's me.
cool kid. Cool kid. I'm a cool kid. I'm a cool kid.
I will send you to the fourth dimensional.
I'm the queen. You can
Get
say
out
I'm
here,
a girl.
queen.
I promise I'm a girl.
Demon, gotta catch him
Let's
all.
hear your parents.
I'm a girl. I promise. I pinky promise.
I'm gonna go.
I don't believe you.
I claw promise. I would never break a claw promise. Let's go to the Queen Club. I would never.
Thank you. I don't promise. I don't believe you.
Why don't you believe me?
I don't believe you.
Claw promise is the cat's pinky promise.
You're a boy. You're a boy.
No, I'm not. Whoa, what is this game?
I am cat.
He's a boy. He's a boy.
I'm a girl. I'm a boy. I'm a girl. I'm not making about you.
No, you're not.
My
You're like boy.
I would never.
Everyone attack her. Attack her. Leave out the name. You're a boy. You're a boy. You're a boy. Scotty. You're a boy. You're a boy.
Y'all have to pray to me. I have golden claws.
You're a boy.
I have golden claws, so pray.
She's a boy. She's a boy. She's a boy.
I'm a boy. I'm a boy. I'm a boy.
I identify as
Boys
male.
Club. This is Boys Club. Boys Club.
I'm a girl.
No, you're not.
Remember, I'm the
You're a
ruler.
boy.
I got
Silly.
golden claws.
Yeah, only boys can get here.
That's
Only one with golden claws. You're not the only one with golden claws.
Let's check your claw color. Your claws are your status.
Look, that's your like.
You're a wolf cub.
Look.
At the gold club. At the gold club, okay?
Show.
Okay?
Show us.
But out there in the wardrobe, okay? Out there in the wardrobe, okay? They're in the wardrobe, okay?
You're not the only one with golden claws.
No.
Okay, golden claws aren't rare anymore. Back then,
Knock it
golden
out,
claws were
boy.
rare.
I'm a girl.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Cat. No, you're not. I'm the cat.
I'm
not
the cat.
No, you're not, boy. You're a boy.
Oh yeah.
This is boys' club. Only boys are only allowed now. Sit off.
And the flying weaponry ship.
You keep saying I'm a boy so I can stay in here.
Fish. The fish.
No, you're
The most dangerous
Now you say I'm a
weapon.
girl.
Oh, fish.
Oh my gosh.
Please.
Why do you have to be so
where?
rude?
Bonk.
I'm never coming back again.
Gotta hang this
I'm just gonna walk straight back in there.
What do I do to that?
Some people say Some people say that I'm a boy.
Yeah.
But I'm actually a girl.
Meet you at the pool.
I'm coming back. No.
I'll meet you at the pool.
Goodbye.
I didn't see it.
Goodbye, girl.
Okay.
You're a girl. Bye-bye,
Oh,
baby.
dang.
Guys, see the baby girl. We got baby girl.
What is happening
What the
in the
heck?
world? That sounds really weird. We are
See
having
the
a
baby
baby.
girl. See the babies. Guys, run. Leave the
These places are
leave her.
invincible. Wait. Wow.
Give me that little
Where?
baby.
I made it. This is a cat girl club only. Girl club. Are you a girl?
Why can't you put anything in your mouth?
Do this for girl. Do this for boy.
Whoa.
What's going on?
You are allowed.
Guys, stop opening up clubs.
This is the girl club.
You're going to
The girl cat
You're
club.
hogging the freaking ball. God damn.
Oh wait. Come back up. Girl cats only.
Baby, make one
Do this. Girl cats only in here.
Are you okay? Oh yeah.
This is girl cats only. If boy tries to come in here, are you a girl or a boy?
Oh, I'm gonna go. Hold up. I'll be back.
Nope. Up there.
Special. I can do what I
Here,
want.
girl.
I can't go that.
Everybody's equal. None of us is perfect.
Claws.
We're all the same.
Boy.
My dagger. My freaking dagger. Give me it. Give me it.
Guys,
I'm Spy. Can this cut up
Do you like what I look like?
Girls,
Do you like
we don't
my?
need the
Do
game.
you like my eyes?
If you are a girl, leave the game. Girls have to leave the game. Those are boys.
Everybody leave this lobby right now.
Get off the stage!
Do you like strawberries?
I can find a pigeon in the void, guys.
Do you like blueberries?
Guys, does anyone want a pigeon?
Do you like raspberries?
You want a pigeon? You want a pigeon? Look, a pigeon. You want a pigeon?
I'm going down.
I missed Zeus. I already.
Get up there.
My arm keeps getting stuck on this chair. Stop. Help me,
Go
God.
away, dumb idiot.
I want to go in secret area. I don't care if I'm a boy. I can go in. Danny, where are you? Because I'm just that.
No, demon cat. Get out. I'm okay. I am not demon cat. I am not demon cat. Yes, you are.
Everyone.
No, I'm not. Die, you bad guy. No.
So
A cute cat.
everybody, even if no matter
Yeah, you.
what color, even
Come up here. Die, you bad guy.
he's not a dog.
You are looking cool. Come on. Yeah, I look cool.
No, I'm the only
Is this a girls club?
Yeah, you bad guy. It's a cat and dog club.
orange cat.
Yeah,
So you
I'm a cat.
Only orange cats can go in that
I'm a cat. I'm a cat.
Told you he was
Me
my
too.
brother.
Hey guys, go should do that fun today. Guys, what we should do fun?
Guys, just go to sleep. Guys, just go to sleep. I got sleeping on the blue one.
Language.
Doesn't even have a.
Fine.
Yeah, you bastard. Only with like a different. I hate you. Yo guys, I'm flying.
Get him out! Get this alien! Get the alien out!
No, the alien.
Can come here too. Are you a alien cat?
Yeah.
I'm a cat, guys!
I told you. No, alien cats are allowed here, not demon cats. I can't
not
die.
demon
I'm just
cat.
built different.
I'm not a demon cat.
Guys, yeah, you're not a demon cat. I'm talking about
I
the
beat
owner.
Demon the Granny! I beat Demon the Granny!
You can
Because
someone
she
help?
always says me,
Can someone help me?
tripod! And I try to cook her like poop. I cook her cat poop.
No.
I cook Granny cat poop. And she vomited, and that was so funny. And that was so funny. And
Time to go to sleep. It's barely night.
Granny vomiting, that's so funny. Oh, thank you guys both.
It's time to sleep, dude. Wish me luck.
I'm not tired. I'm tired. I woke up at 6:15. I woke up at 6:12.
In a dream. Doggy, wake up! We're in the dream. What? We're in the dream.
We're in a dream. We're in a dream. Hey guys, why am I here?
Whoa. This was
Guys,
different than before.
Can we wake? How do we wake up ourselves? I'm gonna wake up, guys.
Well,
Please.
I'm gonna go down there.
Me too.
They committed
Did you?
suicide.
Guys, make sure to come back.
Danny, where are
Back to
you?
the club. This is Capital Golden Back Club.
You guys.
And you are the VIPs of this
Why
club.
don't you
Stop talking. You're playing the pee.
What?
You guys are pee.
Why do you love my ball?
So you're demons.
Hey, I'll cook you some dinner. Can you?
Hold on.
Whoa.
You are the third person in here.
Jeez. Just line up.